Now, clearly the main purpose of this area and this performance management function is to pass judgment and evaluate an employee's performance. But this kind of evaluation and the measurement that they do will actually also form the basis of a development plan for them, because you would ideally want to be able to groom your top performers for future leadership roles. You would also want to be able to nudge your average performers to improve their performance. And you would like to give enough feedback to your underperformers to give them a second or a third chance. And if they're able to perform basis that feedback and improve their performance, you would like to reevaluate them. And if they're not, you would like to take certain actions to remove them from your workforce. Ultimately, what we want is we want to have a highly performance-oriented workforce. So we want to make sure that we are giving the right signals to our employees and telling them that these are the kind of things that we value the most, and we will reward you commensurate to these behaviors. So having a clear and transparent performance management system, which then aligns very clearly to rewards and recognition, is a great way to have a clear and transparent communication with your workforce. And this will make them feel confident and comfortable that if they are able to perform to the best of their potential and have this attitude of top performance and being able to provide top-notch quality, then they will be rewarded as per that behavior. It is really important to have a very consistent messaging in this area, be able to provide timely and repetitive feedback, and then you also want to make sure that there are ample opportunities available to each employee to be able to improve their performance. So it is this kind of conversations and these kind of touch points that HR analytics can really help and support. A lot of analytics that you will do in this area will be historic. So you will pass judgment or evaluate people on what they have done in a historic time period. Maybe, how was the performance of a person over the past 6 months or over the past 1 year. But what you can also do in this area is do a lot of prediction on whether this person is ready for a next role. Should we invest and take the time to improve this person's skill set and groom them for a future role? Does this person deserve some kind of special mentorship because you see them as a leader, or even predict whether this person is a good fit for a lateral shift within the organization? And let's go ahead and look at what are the kind of data points and metrics that you can create to support these discussions.